What is going on, guys? TG Outdoors back here with another video, and today I'm going to be trying to catch some panfish. I got permission to fish off this one girl's dock. I am mowing her lawn for the summer, taking care of her lawn for the summer, so I got permission to fish off it. And the sunfish are all on beds there. There's a ton of them. There's quite a few nice ones, so see you guys there. Hopefully I can get a nice bunch to take home and clean. So see you when we get there.
I just got hit by a big one, but I missed him.
The farther you get away, the more they'll bite.
Is it good?
Wow, handy.
It's a real nice one.
You got a baby.
Hey, I still got all my bait back. Oh, Jesus. So, I only got 5.
Just pretty colors, but get bigger.
They're dark. Yeah, you definitely gotta get far away as you can.
Yep.
At least we'll try. That one was instant. It's another big one. That was instant, another nice. Well, not a big one. Oh! I mean, you could keep it, but I'm not. Could, but there's a lot bigger ones, so I'll throw this guy back. Sweet. Yeah. That's what I like about this bigger jig. The little ones kind of come off.
Already?
That one actually, I literally spoke a little too soon.
What's that?
As soon as I said the little ones come off, I catch a little one.
Yeah.
What is that white stuff above your bobber?
I'm not sure what that is. It's on the line.
Oh geez, you can get way over there. Oh, don't want the weeds.
There's all sorts of tangled up.
Oh yeah.
Another perfect one.
There we go.
What are you getting them on?
There's a plain jig and then angle worm. Because they didn't have any night crawlers. I love wax worms, but they're so expensive because they don't sell them by the dozen. They sell them by like the 100. There, so. Oh, that's gonna be a cast. Dandy. Come on, where you at?
Oh,
There you go.
You got a double?
Mine's a little one.
Oh, it's looking better than I thought it was originally. He's really fighting now. Oh,
Same?
really nice keeper.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Beautiful color. Look at his whole mouth. He must have been caught before this spring. Look at him.
Oh yeah. Right there, come on. I want my 10-inch sunfish.
Popping in.
Just got hit. Didn't have to hook though. It's a little guy. There's the red light flashing on my GoPro. I love getting in that dark area. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Sweet. Nice one, right? Oh yeah. Look at that guy's colors. Wow, different shade of blue. I cut that one off his bed. That's why it's a real nice one. Anyone that's actually on the bed is just like this. This one is a super pretty one.
Not dark, but real bright.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's smaller though.
It's a new month, so towards the middle of the month, if I'm home when I get my Mr. Tackle box, I'm gonna make a. They're called an MTB Slam, Mr. Tackle box. Catch a bass on every single bait.
Right.
I'm gonna attempt that over a video. I'm not sure. Oh, he's tangled up or something.
Tangled with some sort.
Oh, he's nice. Oh, he's nice.
That's a pretty white one.
So throwing him back, huh? I love the ones with the fight on them. Real nice one.
It's a dandy guy.
I know.
Pretty colors.
Well, better see if you can switch that guy out.
You got a count pack.
Yep. Both giants, but that one's gonna go in. They are just built. Like, holy. Ouch. Alrighty, I'm gonna switch over to wacky rig and see if I can snag a bass or two. Got my bass the other night on this rod.
That's Reed?
Yeah, I like this rod. It's like that was instant.
Bass?
Yeah, he was a little guy. Couldn't even finish my sentence. I was trying to see if I can sight fish a bass. There we go. Yeah. Hope I got it on video. So I hope I got it on video.
Wow.
Did?
Yeah, did you sight fish them and then get them, or?
No. Blind casting because I didn't want to go off that other person's dock, so it is running though.
I've just seen it's bigger, whatever it is.
Oh, it's definitely probably a bass. If this is a bluegill, that's. Oh yeah, nice little bass. He's wrapped up in some weeds.
Huh?
There you go. Back-to-back basses.
Work.
There you go. Sweet. Wish I could do that in the tournament.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Tournament fishing coming up. Seeing a real nice bass right out there, so I'll see if I can't get him on the old wacky rig. Oop. Scared everything before I even casted. Super nice one. Trade him out. Dad, just missed one on a frog. I didn't wait long enough. I got too excited. I was thinking of how I'm finding these little open patches. And that's exactly where it is bit. Gosh dang it. Yeah. Okay. Got hit again. Same spot. That's about it for today's video. I only kept 10 because I'm cleaning fish by myself tonight, so. But a lot of these guys are just absolute dandies. So, hope you guys enjoyed catching those. Oh, look at this guy. Hope you guys enjoyed catching those and that bass. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.